Remind me if I get the if I go ahead and get a flash hider soon enough, I could probably just go ahead and install that as well. Well, if you're listening, it finally came. Yes. I got it in the mail today. I'd ordered a Yankee Hill Machining flash suppressor flash hider. I'll go ahead and cover this part first. This is the crush washer. This is necessary, really, if you're going to install any sort of a muzzle compensator or flash hider on any sort of AR platform rifle, or at least the vast majority of them anyway. And not everything I've seen ships with a crush washer, so make sure that if it needs one, that there's either one coming or you've got one ordered in standby. Now for the centerpiece of this final part, we have the muzzle comp flash hider. Also, I'll go ahead, since now I can actually use this, it fits over here but not here. I think I might have gotten rid of the diagram that said anything about it, but my inference is this is for the AR-10 platform. Alright, so welcome back. As you can already see, I've already got this on hand tight. I've already done everything that I want to with this. This is a flat bottom flash hider. It's got one giant flat on the bottom that's supposed to help deflect the muzzle blast away from the ground and away from the dirt so it doesn't kick up as much dust. I'm sorry.
Just pull it.
I'm sorry about the noise. I got ducklings and chicks that think that they have a relevant opinion somehow. And they're too young to be moved outside, so I guess we'll just have to deal with it this time. So, I've only got one flash hider, and unfortunately, it's hand tight, and it's about 180 degrees or more out of alignment, so we're gonna have to crank it around 180 degrees. So this is gonna get really tense for the pressure washer, or for the compression washer, but well, I guess life's hard for everybody anyway. So here we go. Okay, I got that part right about there. Now I'm going to go ahead and fit this right back on. Good. Now I'm using the Wheeler AR-15 combo tool this time, but basically we're just going to go around, and that's just a little bit further travel, but I kind of want to be able to see my alignment a little bit better, so I'm going to put the tool right under here. I hope this isn't too horrible of a camera angle for y'all, but yeah, let's yeah, that looks pretty good for eyeball anyway. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with that. Although, just to be sure, let's go ahead and find something kind of flat and solid. We'll go ahead and we'll put it on like so. Yep. That's about square there. Okay, good. There's a 6.5 Grendel 1 in 8 marking up here. This is the top cutout, so I was lining this to this because if those two are lined up, then it's pretty well straight vertical, and it looks like I pretty well got it. And that's really about all there is to it. Alright, so here we're testing the muzzle brake, the flash hider, to see what the flash is like. Outgoing. Alright, so post range, as you probably have already seen in the video, I did course of fire with the lights completely out and course of fire with the blue or the black lights on. Either way, it was dark enough that you could see what little flash there was from this thing. Now, if any of you are going to go and try this and the range has black lights, I would recommend using the black lights just as a safety issue. Being able to see the target and still not have the flash obscured by the lighting makes it easier to place your shots correctly, and it makes it safer as you don't have to worry about ricochets or hitting something you really don't want to hit. Alright, today's range time was brought to you by Cypress Creek Indoor Range in Florence, Alabama. Hours Monday through Thursday are 10 to 8 p.m., Friday 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., Saturday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Sunday 1 to 7 p.m. They do zombie night Tuesday night, 6 to close. And if you want to do anything that you saw here today, then you're going to have to catch them at a time where they're not busy and you have a free range where you can actually do anything of that nature. Elsewise, I don't want anybody to come in when the range is packed and be disappointed that they just couldn't get what they wanted. But this, like I said, Cypress Indoor Range, thanks to them because they made basically this test possible. If you're wanting to contact them, as you can probably see at cypresscreekrange.com or area code 256-275-7586. I have found thus far that AR platform muzzle devices show little difference in cost between compensators and flash hiders. Other considerations and performance differences were deemed negligible. The main impetus for a flash hider here is to open the future possible use of night vision equipment. Said equipment is sensitive to light levels and expensive, thus making a $30 to $50 flash hider that knocks muzzle flash down to safe levels a wise purchase. As to whether Yankee Hill flash hider does this, I personally think so, but I will defer to you to view the material and draw your own conclusions. And here are our ducklings. I think they're khaki Campbell, but again, it was my picking, and that's kind of dubious, really. They kind of get washed out in the red light, but... Oh, now you're getting shy. You were loud and proud earlier. But yeah, they don't have a whole lot in the way of feathers, but man, are they big.